Morning, kids. I woke up last night because I heard wolves howling. I tried to wake up Grinna, but he wasn't having it. But he woke up later, and he said he thought he heard a bear snorting and growling close to him. But it was just me snoring. Wildlife encounters on the PNT. Bopit Bears. Rawr. Get my food bag. Mine's just tied to a tree. That's his bear can. He ties his little cook stove up there too. Although a mule deer already ate through his string one time.
Morning.
Ew. I don't know what kind of poop that is, but ew. Grinner just established that it's very solid. Grizzly and black bear inhabit this area.
We had one last night.
Bopit Bear. She snorts and grumbles with the worst of them. Rude. You can see her. Yeah. We're not going there. Thankfully. I want a horse if I go into the Canadian Rockies. Oh my gosh. At this point, Grinner has started asking me for tape because the bottom of his shoes are just like flopping off. He has this stick like wedged into the side of his shoe. Wait till you see this thing when we get to town. There's that alt we took yesterday. That's that Mount Davis. Right there. That thing was gnarly going up it and going down it. Everything else was chill though. Yeah, this is the valley we were looking at from the other side yesterday. There's that that big diamond thing that we were looking at from the top, from where they cut out the old growth. So there we went up that thing. Oh, you can't see it. And then down. Huckleberry bushes. Honestly, I get kind of nervous about foraging for things while I'm hiking because I'm not super familiar with these areas. However, I had a little eco tour walk with Mosey and U-turn at the beginning of this hike, so I felt pretty confident with all of the berries I ate this day. Bears can survive off this. Maybe we should just become foragers.
Yep.
Just eat bears. We can just only stay in this area.
Yeah, that's it. Oh. Jesus, if my tent was here yesterday, I would have just been munching these for dinner.
The
biggest.
That was a good one.
Go.
Hello, Bear. You found the blueberry or huckleberries too, huh, buddy?
The colour of it is the colour of huckle.
Uh-huh. Purple, like, what do we call it? Purple gold? Bear poop, purple gold. This is the second dead thing I've seen on trail. What'd you say?
Medic.
Grinner coming through with water retriever. We made a little leaf spout. He filled his, and look, not even a whole lot of sediment. Looks good. Also, guys, the thimble berries are finally in. Yep, that's exactly how they're supposed to be. Just fall right off. Get off, bug. I'm gonna eat you. Oh, those are good. It's like a...
You know what I called it? A raspberry sorbet.
It is like a raspberry sorbet. Yes. Oh, and they just pop right off the little cap. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, they're good.
Hello. Are you done too? Show enough. Oh.
Oh my God, that's good.
Tasty.
This is desperate.
Raspberry sorbet. It is.
Way
Continental breakfast.
Way better than them drop bars.
It's like a wilderness breakfast.
I actually do think that could be one of my favourite berries. Like,
I like it. Yeah, it's lightly sweet.
I've never had anything like that has that kind of like, I don't know, they're just sick.
I like the texture. Ooh, that one's so pretty. I'll be your thimbleberry. Grinna was pretty stoked on this place, and I'm stoked on any place that has food. They weren't open yet, but we loitered until they did. So Feist Creek is the first spot where one could go into Bonner's Ferry, although it's not the entrance of choice. It's just like harder to get into town from there and to get back out. We decided to give it a go though because Grinner's shoes were falling apart. Sadly, I had already made a trade. Well, I bought a guy a drink so that I could have his hat. It ended up being pretty stinky. Man sweat, you know? That is incredible. Dude, you must have been walking with like so much force to shove that into the side of your shoe like that.
Proper punch win.
And now he's got replacement shoes. Look at this thing.
Never buy hocker.
230 miles. That's crazy. We made friends in town, of course. They were having a River Days celebration, so there were no hotel rooms to be had. I did some research, found out that there were a couple of trail angels in town, reached out to them, and luckily they were able to help us get our resupply and gave us a place to stay for the night. It was really cozy and exactly what I needed. We even got some puppy love from their greyhounds. Thank you so much, Kathy and Scott.